Updating your legal name on BolehVPN is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the BolehVPN website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the website, often under your account name or an icon. Step 3. Locate name update option. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Input your new legal name in the designated fields. Ensure that the name you enter matches the legal documents you will provide for verification. Step 5. Submit changes and verification. After entering your new name, submit the changes. You may need to provide documentation to verify your legal name change, such as a marriage certificate or court order. Follow any additional instructions provided by BolehVPN. After completing these steps, your legal name should be updated in the BolehVPN system. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.